YouTube, listen to CM2 here, and I'm coming at you with another airsoft review. This video is going to be the review of the M4A1 Commando. They made two models of this gun. This is the Commando version, 300mm inner barrel. Then they make the regular version, which is 363mm inner barrel. And this has a muzzle velocity of 350 to 420 FPS, and you know, the rate of fire is really good with a Matrix 9.6 volt 1600 milliamp battery, which I used. I'll show you that at the end, but it comes with, you know, the charger, which I recommend using a smart charger, the battery, and the magazine, and flash hider cover. Okay, here's the gun itself. It has a series of metal parts included on the gun, as of the metal sling mounts, and both the back and the front, the buffer tube, the charging handle, the RIS rail, the rear sight, full metal trigger assembly, fire selector switch, and a series of metal stuff in this thing, and the steel flash hider. Now, and full metal pins right here, field stripping pins. It has a 6-point adjustable stock, which you can take off by simply just pulling this back, and it should slide right off like that. And to put it on, you just reverse it and just pull this up, and it should just slide right on. Okay, now the battery chamber right here. You pull this back, and you pull this out, and it's a battery. You plug it up. It's really hard to get in at first, but once you get used to it, you know, it's pretty easy. Alright, here's the hop-up system. You go to the charging handle, you pull it back, and it should reveal up to you right there. And you can pull this up, the dust cover up. Here's the mag release, and pull this button. And as I said before, it has a 300mm inner barrel, and overall good quality. Okay, here's the shooting test, and we're shooting from 20 feet away, and we're using a Matrix 9.6 volt 1600 milliamp high output battery. Alright, that's 6 shots. We got one. It's like right there. It's like eyeball shot. It's right here. Right there's one on his mouth. Okay, now we're going to mutilate his face from 2 feet away. Fully automatic. Alright, here's from 35 feet away approximately, and we're shooting at a new target. Alright, that's 6 shots. We got 2 right here, actually 3 up here, 1 right here, 1 right here, and 1 in the middle. So it's about right here. Overall, this is a really great weapon. I bought it off evox.com for $140. I'm soon going to upgrade it, and I might post a video about that soon. But other than that, this is a really great gun. Well worth the money.